Hi, my name is Melissa Godfrey, and I reviewed the tool called Clicker, and I was very impressed with this tool. I was able to create a book for my students. I teach kindergarten, so I created a nonfiction kindergarten book that focuses on math concepts, counting to 10. However, I think that students could even create a book on their own independently using this resource. It was really easy to use, really easy to add audio features as well as images and visuals, and it's very user friendly. And I'm very proud of my work, so I'm sure that when students complete their own books, they'd be very proud of their own work. So this resource can be used in multiple ways, and I believe it could be used for students as early as kindergarten and all the way up, to sixth grade, maybe even beyond. So I thought this was really cool, and I created a book called Let's Count, and I'm going to share that book with you. So I created it, and then I'm going to click on this the audio feature. But I thought it was pretty cool that you could just put your cursor over it and click, and it'll tell you the word if the students needed it to be repeated. And then there's a feature that click on the arrow to go to the next page. And it's very easy to navigate if the student wanted to read with the person who the audio feature, the girl that's reading it, they can click count the flowers. There are 3 flowers. So there's lots of different options, or they can try their best to read it by themselves, and if they are stuck on a word, they can click on the word to help them out. And then maybe they can go back and reread it, count the cupcakes, there are 4 cupcakes. So say that the students didn't know this word, they could say count the cats. They can go back and reread it. And obviously, this is a resource that would have to be explicitly taught on how to use, but I do think that it's kid-friendly, it's friendly for younger students, and super easy to navigate, as well as engaging. So obviously this book is interactive, and I did want the students to count the actual objects before they're given the answer. So obviously this would be a book where the teacher would teach the students how to use the book first, and then they can use the audio feature if needed. But I think that this is a great resource. It's really easy to use, easy to navigate, and I had fun creating the book. And I definitely can see myself using this in the classroom. So I really enjoyed this application, and I hope to use it in the future.